Hi, in this series of tutorials, we'll go over how to get started with Adobe Illustrator. By the end of these 3 short videos, you'll know how to create artwork with shapes and the pen tool. This is Tech Tips from Tech Central. Welcome to Adobe Illustrator. Illustrator is an editor for vector image files. They're called vector images because they're based on the vectored paths between points. There's a lot of math involved, and to be honest, I don't understand the math behind it, but the important thing to know is that vector images are infinitely scalable, which means that they can be scaled up from the size of a business card to the size of a billboard or larger, and they will never become blurry or pixelated, unlike raster images, which are made of pixels. Just like Photoshop, Illustrator has the option to choose to create a new document from a variety of pre-made templates. The size will affect the way raster elements are rendered, but the vector elements in the document can always be resized without loss. So choose a template for the type of design you want to create. Remember to save your file as an AI document early and often. Then save quickly with Ctrl or Command S, because you don't want to lose your progress. Though that has happened to me several times, and every time I end up making it better the next time around. So do what you feel is right. You might like trying to catch lightning in a bottle, but if you don't want to chance it, save, save, save. Illustrator also has panels and tools in a similar arrangement to Photoshop. Check out the Workspace flyout to see what the different workspaces have going on. You can also just go to the Windows menu and find exactly what panels you need. Layers work a little differently in Illustrator than they do in Photoshop. It helps to think of each element as an object and the layers as groups. I'll make a few shapes to demonstrate. Select an object by clicking on the object or the square here. If you click and drag this circle to another, it will copy the appearance of that object onto the other object. There are a lot of things you can do with shapes. I'll go over that in the next video. Now, we want to save our project so we can share it or send it to someone for printing. Click File on the menu bar and select Save As, and choose where you want it to go. Then you'll need to pick a file type. There are a few options here. Many places are fine with any of these files. Some of the print shops that I've used in the past prefer EPS files. For web use, I find that SVGs work fine in most cases. And PDF documents are usually acceptable too, if when you save, you don't choose to rasterize. Remember, raster images use pixels and they're not scalable. Okay, now that the necessary boring stuff is out of the way, check out the next video to start learning the fun stuff. If there's anything you would like us to make a video about, let us know. You can leave a comment or you can email us at the address below. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tech tips from Tech Central.